Sometimes in life, we keep saying to ourselves, I'll do it later, or I'll start tomorrow. We convince our minds that there's still plenty of time, so why rush? But this tiny habit quietly steals our dreams and goals. In today's world, full of distractions, endless scrolling, and non-stop notifications, it's easier than ever to lose track of time. Yet time isn't just what ticks on a clock. It shapes our destiny and our future. The person who respects time climbs a ladder of success. The one who wastes it burns in a fire of regret. So, if you don't want to miss life's opportunities, listen carefully to this story. Because this isn't just a story, it's a wake-up call. Once in a quiet little village, there lived a young man named Ethan. He was kind but extremely lazy. He always postponed important things, his studies, his chores, even his dreams. His parents and teachers tried to explain the value of time, but Ethan never listened. He didn't worry about his future and spent his days doing meaningless things. One day, a wise old traveler came to the village. He was known far and wide for his knowledge and guidance. People gathered around him, eager to hear his words. When the crowd left, Ethan approached him and said, "Sir, I feel like a failure. I'm falling behind everyone. Please tell me how I can change my life." The wise man looked at him with a gentle smile and replied, "My child, you feel lost because you don't value time. You keep delaying your goals, wasting precious moments. Let me tell you a story that may open your eyes. Long ago, there was a kind king who deeply cared for his people. One day, he met an old friend, once successful, now poor and hopeless. The friend complained about his bad luck, blaming everyone but himself. The king asked softly, "Tell me, what happened?" The man sighed, "Your Majesty, no one respects me anymore. They say I never finish anything on time. I don't know why life is so unfair." The king thought for a moment, then smiled. "Let's make a deal," he said. "Before sunset today, you may take as much gold and jewels from my treasury as you wish. Whatever you gather will be yours." The man was overjoyed. He ran home to tell his wife. She said, "Go quickly. Don't waste a moment." But he replied, "I'm hungry. Let me eat first." After eating, he felt sleepy. "I'll just rest a little," he said. He fell into a deep sleep, dreaming of riches. Hours later, his wife woke him in panic. The sun was already sinking. He got angry for being disturbed, but finally picked up some sacks and left for the palace. On the way, the afternoon heat tired him. He thought, "I'll rest under this tree for a while." The cool breeze lulled him to sleep again. When he woke up, the sun had already set. He ran as fast as he could. But when he reached the palace, the gates were closed. He had missed his chance. Not because of fate, but because of his own delay. The wise man finished the story and looked at Ethan in silence. The boy's face turned serious. He finally understood his mistake. He thanked the old man and promised a change. From that day on, he worked hard, stopped putting things off, and completed his tasks on time. Slowly, success followed. His family and friends admired him, and he became more confident and happier than ever. In real life, too, time is more precious than gold. It's our most valuable treasure. Once gone, it never returns. There's a wise saying, if you respect time, time will reward you. If you waste time, time will destroy your dreams. A passenger who misses a train by 1 minute knows the value of a minute. A student who fails an exam knows the value of a year. Those who value time achieve their dreams. Those who waste it live in regret. So use your time wisely. Spend meaningful moments with your loved ones. Work hard toward your goals. And live a life full of purpose, peace, and happiness. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wisdom Stories and leave a comment below. It helps more people find motivation through these stories. Stay patient, stay grateful, and keep moving forward one moment at a time.